The white roses trembled in her trembling hands as the chapel bells tolled in the distance. Amelia looked at her reflection one last time, eyes wide with love, heart full of dreams. But she didn't know that in just an hour, her world would be replaced by someone who shared her face, but not her heart. Before we dive deeper into this heart-wrenching and powerful story of betrayal, redemption, and strength, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Whispers of Kindness for more stories that touch your soul and remind you that kindness, even in the darkest moments, can change everything. Tutu, Amelia, and Alina were identical twins, the kind of sisters who could swap places and fool everyone, even their parents. Growing up, they shared everything, the same laughter, the same secrets, even the same dreams. But there was one thing Amelia never realized she shared with her sister: envy. Amelia was gentle, compassionate, and the one who always put others first. She was the quiet twin who believed love could heal anything. Alina, on the other hand, was fire, bold, ambitious, and hungry for attention. Everyone adored Alina for her charm, but behind her smile, there lived a bitterness that only grew deeper as Amelia's light outshone hers in subtle, painful ways. When Daniel came into their lives, both sisters noticed him. But only one captured his heart. Daniel was everything Amelia had ever prayed for: kind, loyal, and deeply in love with her gentle soul. From their first coffee shop encounter to long walks under autumn skies, their love felt destined. Alina congratulated her, laughed with her, helped her choose her wedding dress. But behind that laughter was a heart that couldn't stand being second. The morning of the wedding was perfect. Sunlight filtered through lace curtains. The air smelled like lilies and vanilla candles. Amelia, nervous but glowing, was surrounded by the warmth of family. She didn't notice her sister slipping out early to check the decorations. She didn't know Alina was meeting someone, the man she was about to steal. An hour later, when Amelia's car broke down just minutes away from the chapel, she called Daniel. No answer. She called Alina. Silence. Panic tightened her chest. She finally found a ride, her heart pounding as she hurried up the chapel steps in her flowing gown. But as she reached the doors, laughter and applause erupted from inside. Her name echoed. "I now pronounce you husband and wife." Her body froze. She peeked inside, and there, standing before the altar wearing her veil, holding her bouquet, was Alina, her twin sister. The room spun. The ground disappeared. Tears blurred her vision as she watched Daniel, kiss her sister, believing it was Amelia. The betrayal cut deeper than any knife. It wasn't just her love that was stolen, it was her very identity. Amelia didn't storm in. She didn't scream. She turned and walked away quietly, her heart breaking with each step. That night, while the world celebrated a wedding, Amelia sat alone at the edge of the sea, the moonlight reflecting her shattered reflection on the waves. For days she disappeared. Her parents called. Alina sent messages, pretending innocence. It was a misunderstanding, she lied. But Amelia knew better. Alina had replaced her not out of love, but out of pride, to prove she could have everything Amelia did. Amelia left town. She moved miles away, taking nothing but her mother's locket and a promise to herself: "They replaced me once. I'll make sure they never can again." 2 years passed. Amelia built a new life in a small coastal town. She started a charity for orphaned girls, children abandoned by families, much like she had been by her own. Through pain, she found purpose. Her kindness became her strength. Every girl she helped healed a part of her own soul. Her organization, the Second Light Foundation, grew rapidly. From a single home by the shore to a nationwide movement, news channels began to feature her work. People spoke her name with admiration. Ironically, the world knew Amelia Rivers as the woman who replaced despair with hope. But her family, busy maintaining their perfect image, never reached out. Until one day they did. Amelia received an invitation, gold embossed, elegant, for her parents' 40th wedding anniversary. The invitation was signed, "With love, Alina and Daniel." She almost tore it apart, but something inside her whispered go, not for revenge, for closure. When she arrived, the crowd froze. The room seemed to hold its breath. Alina looked stunned, her mirror image, the twin she'd betrayed, standing tall in a white suit with confidence and grace that no heartbreak could erase. "Amelia." Daniel's voice broke the silence, softer, guilt-ridden. His once bright eyes were tired now. Alina clutched his arm possessively, her smile faltering. Amelia smiled, calm, genuine, radiant. "It's been a long time." The evening unfolded with tension and whispered gasps. People whispered about how Amelia had become a public figure, admired for her foundation, and as the night went on, she learned the truth. Daniel and Alina's marriage was falling apart. They'd built a life on lies, and the cracks were finally showing. Later that night, Alina approached her privately, tears shimmering in her eyes. "You won," she whispered bitterly. "You always do." Amelia shook her head. "No, Alina, I didn't win anything, I healed. You're still trying to replace what you lost because you never built anything real for yourself." Alina's tears fell silently. The truth was undeniable. Amelia turned to leave, but before she did, she looked back, not in anger but in peace. "You took my wedding day, but I took back my life. You replaced me once, Alina, but I replaced everything we were taught, greed, envy, and pride, with something better. With kindness. That's the legacy I'll leave behind." If this story moved you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Whispers of Kindness. Your support helps us share more stories that remind the world how compassion can rise from even the deepest heartbreak. As Amelia drove away that night, the stars seemed brighter. The wind carried the faint scent of roses, just like that day long ago, but this time, the roses belonged to her. She realized that sometimes life replaces people not to punish you, but to protect you. Some losses aren't endings, they're awakenings. And in her heart, Amelia finally understood being replaced wasn't her downfall. It was her rebirth, because true love, the kind that lasts, begins not when someone chooses you, but when you choose yourself.